One of my big problems is fried chicken. I love fried chicken, and I didn't eat it for like 2.5 years. We had Gus's fried chicken when we were in New Orleans, and you ever been to Natty B's?
I haven't been there.
He's not a foodie at all. We actually had him go to KFC for the first time and film it.
Set the bar low. Let me tell you what, when you go down south, Gus's fried chicken, Natty B's, next time you're down south, call me. I will send you to places that will ruin you. The chicken is so good. People always say, oh, when you have money, it's easy to not eat. And when you have money, you have access to literally the best food in the world, and you have to be disciplined.